Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head-to-head in the ultimate showdown to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Buckle up, because things are about to get layered. Let's roll! Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Kobra 2 Max is flexing its $719 price tag, while the Neptune 4 Plus is giving us a wink at $599. That's a $120 difference, folks. For that extra cash, you could buy, 24 cups of overpriced coffee? But hey, who needs caffeine when you have a 3D printer that can print a coffee maker, right? Next up, speed. The Kobra 2 Max promises a max speed of 500 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 10,000 millimeters per square second. That's like putting a rocket on your print job. On the other side, the Neptune 4 Plus is no slouch either, cruising at 500 millimeters per second and hitting 12,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. If these printers were cars, they'd both be getting speeding tickets. But remember, folks, faster isn't always better, unless you're trying to print a last-minute birthday gift. Size matters, they say. The Kobra 2 Max offers a whopping 16.5x, 16.5x, 19.7-inch build volume. That's practically a mini skyscraper. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus brings a respectable 12.59x, 12.59x, 15.15 inches to the table. It's like comparing Godzilla to King Kong. Both are impressive, but one might just fit better in your apartment. Let's get smart, literally. The Kobra 2 Max boasts an app with Bluetooth provisioning, firmware upgrades, real-time video supervision, and more. It's like having a personal assistant for your printer. The Neptune 4 Plus isn't far behind with its Clipper firmware, Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN options. It's like the tech-savvy cousin who always has the latest gadgets. Who knew 3D printers could be so connected? Now, print quality. The Kobra 2 Max has a direct extruder, dual motor, dual Z-axis motion, and fancy vibration compensation. It's like the yoga master of printers, calm, composed, and very flexible. The Neptune 4 Plus, with its dual-gear direct drive extruder and high-temp nozzle, is like the bodybuilder with a PhD, strong, precise, and incredibly smart. Both promise fewer visible layer lines and high detail, so your prints will look less like abstract art and more like the real deal. Cooling systems. The Kobra 2 Max has optimized extrusion and cooling, ensuring your prints don't sweat under pressure. The Neptune 4 Plus, with its double-sided cooling fans and model cooling blower fans, is like having a mini Arctic breeze for your prints. Seriously, these printers might be cooler than my ex's heart. Lastly, customer service. The Kobra 2 Max comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. The Neptune 4 Plus, well, it didn't brag about its customer service as much, but let's hope it's just as attentive. After all, nobody wants to be ghosted by tech support. Based on Amazon reviews, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is praised for its speed, print quality, and customer support, but it has some minor issues with its LCD touchscreen and filament entanglement. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its ease of setup, detailed prints, and aftermarket modification options, though it requires thorough setup and maintenance before each print. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, two fantastic 3D printers, each with their own quirks and perks. Whether you go for the Kobra's skyscraper-sized prints or the Neptune's tech-savvy features, you're in for some high-quality 3D printing fun. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.